It's a beautiful day, and let's look at how we can use Chat GPT to create KDP niches very fast. We're going to create KDP niches of Chat GPT, and we are going to do that as fast as possible. We're going to know how to give it prompts to be able to create KDP content, and you have to analyze the content, research the content to know the niches, to know whether they are profitable or not. Let's go straight and let's do that. So this is ChatGPT. You can see you can use it to write a lot, but you just need to be careful what you use it to do because it has copyright issues. So let's open a new chat and let's say, just give it a command, find 20 KDP coloring niches. So we want to go for the coloring niches first. So we have complex prompts and we have simple prompts. So sometimes it gives you errors, but don't worry, just do it again and you will see that it's going to give you what you want. So other coloring books, mandalas. So it's giving us all what we need to do in terms of the niches that we need to be able to do that. So it's now your responsibility to check to see whether these niches that is giving us, whether they are right, they can be used or not. You just need to check that. So let's check adult coloring books. If you are following KDP niches, you should know that this is a niche that is most popular in the coloring books. So yes, we have them, you can see, but these are sponsored. Okay, these are the niches that we are looking for. And you can just use this to be able to do that. So let's go back to this. So as you can see, you can use this to do more. You can use this to find whatever niches that you want. You can categorize it, coloring niches, journal niches. If you want to go for puzzle niches, maybe you can also look at that to see. So let's check puzzle niches to see whether we will find some niches in the puzzle industry. So let's go straight back to ChatGPT and we are going to find puzzle niches. So we just do find 20 puzzle niches. Puzzle niches for KDP. So you put it that way. This simple prompt can give you the puzzle niches that you need. So all you need to do is find the type of prompt that you want, type it in, but research to see how you can be able to use this to create more opportunities for yourself, to create more opportunities and to be able to do more publishing. So you can see puzzle, Sudoku puzzles. So let's check for Sudoku puzzles and see whether we can find that on Amazon, and we move on with that. So Sudoku puzzles is here. Boom, you find them and you just take the next step to do your researches to find out what you can be able to do with this puzzle niches. So this tool is here. Anyone at all can use this. Anyone at all can use this to create more opportunities. So all you need to do is to know what you actually want. And the next step is, how do you get simple creative ideas in terms of publishing or interiors? So you go to Creative Fabrica, and I'm going to leave the link in the description below. And if you subscribe, just do the upgrade, $4.99 a month, and you can download all the KDP interiors here. And better still, you can also create a store and put in the niches you found here for people to be able to get. So you can get a lot of interiors here, and you just get them, do your covers on Canva, and you are ready to publish. You are ready to publish, and you keep on publishing the KDP interiors. Now that the Amazon KDP seems to be saturated, you need to do more hard work. You need to put in hard work to be able to get more sales. Like I said, I know how I make my sales. I know the type of books to blend, and you need to find out like the niches that are not saturated yet, the niches that you can simply market on your Pinterest. niches that you can market on your blog, niches that you can market on your social media. And those are the things that you need to do, because if it is coloring books, over 1 million coloring books, and everybody is just creating coloring books. One person can create like over 2,000 coloring books. So you see why you may not be making sales in some of the niches, but if you publish in different niches, you can make a difference in those niches. So do your researches. If it's not working, you go to KDP in terms of ebooks and see whether you can be able to compile some list to do that. So, but you can reach out to me and let's talk more and see how we can position you to publish more. I believe in you. Let's do more. Let's keep creative and let's believe in ourselves.